In this video, we will show you how to use the Autoborder tool. In general, the Autoborder tool creates a new object based on the outline of a selection. The Autoborder tool becomes available on the top toolbar once you have selected something. Select the portion of the design that you like and press the icon. When you start Autoborder, a dialog appears which gives you the ability to adjust it. First, you need to select the placement of the Autoborder. That is, whether you like it to be on the outside or the inside of the selected shape. The next thing you need to define is the distance. If the distance is 0, then the new object will be placed exactly on top of the initial one. You can also define the number of repeats. Finally, you need to select the stitch type of the Autoborder. You can select satin serial or running. For satin serial, you can also define the width of the satin. Now, if you press OK, Autoborder will be created around the collective shape you have selected. As you can see now, for this kind of selection, where there is a hole in it, the result is not ideal. So, for cases like that, you need to use the Remove Holes option. Now, let's explore this option along with a practical example. This time the inside parts are removed. This is all about the Autoborder tool, so we will show you how you can easily decorate all these lines with styles and create a unique effect.